Okay, so we are about to go on a 6-day sightseeing tour of northern Vietnam, and we happen to be doing it on motorcycles. We've got bikes right here that we'll be taking with us, and we've got a wonderful guide right there named Quan. So I will keep you posted along the way and try to give some updates, and then have some kind of a wrap-up at the end. All right? Bye.
All right,
Okay.
Halloween day.
Here we go.
Oh, I didn't think about
that. Halloween. Is it
Yeah.
Halloween?
Yeah.
It's Halloween.
We're gonna have our costumes on here in a little bit.
Yeah. All right, so we're just getting ready to take off on our 6-day tour.
And all is well.
And all is well, yeah.
Right.
We'll take a quick look around the countryside. We're in this, it's actually kind of a picturesque little town. All right. And there's the bike. That's the bike that will be transporting me. Talk to you later. Okay, so we just ate at this incredible place. It was so delicious. It's just a huge room, right, for tourists like us, and but just absolutely fabulous. I like shockingly good. Oh, these are the places we're gonna go on our trip. So anyway, really awesome. I recommend it. Highly recommend the place. Okay, so this is where we stayed the second night. And you can see, pretty spectacular.
We start from here,
Yeah.
to the village, and we go this way, and go to this way, and in here we go a local road,
Yeah.
local road shortcut in here,
Yeah.
and then go this way to King Palace and have lunch here.
Yeah.
After lunch, we go this way to here and go to China border in here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we see China in here.
Yeah.
And then we come back here and go this way
All
to
the way up.
Lũng Cú Flagpole Tower in here. And then we come back to a hotel this way in here. And we
The local road.
local road
Yeah.
from here go to here.
Okay.
See China border more in here.
Right.
And then come Dong Văn Hào.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Got it. Hey. Okay, so China's on the other side of this valley here. And if you look, I don't know, you probably can't see it, but there's a fence, literally like a big barbed wire fence that runs the whole distance of that hill all the way through, and it keeps going. So separating China from Vietnam. And it was built during the COVID scare, I guess. So zero COVID meant, I guess, no migration either. Okay, so we're now here at the border of Vietnam and China. And you can see this crazy fence. Fence goes all the way up, and
Give you $100 to climb over that.
and there's two layers to it. Crazy.
You can see there. If we try to pass your friend, see like this.
Oh yeah.
Over there.
What happened?
That's cool. It's cool.
Oh.
What's that? What happened?
Oh.
Come here and see.
Yeah. Danger.
Yeah, danger.
Let's see if we can get in there. Oh, is this?
That is intense.
Yeah, yeah.
And they have camera over
Oh,
there.
and the camera
Oh.
too.
Yeah, so they
Yeah.
can see it.
Oh, 24 hours.
Yes, 24 hours.
Pretty crazy.
That is like, it's like.
You can see.
What means 405?
Number of how call this one? Number of this place. So about 1K have this number.
Yeah.
So
So this was because of COVID.
yeah, they have COVID. You know, in China they want to go zero COVID.
Right.
Yes,
They don't
right.
want any
Zero
nobody
COVID policy.
go
Yeah.
there or go outside.
Yeah.
So is the fence the whole all
Yes,
the way? All the
yes.
way.
Yes.
Well, I don't
Okay,
see
see
it.
over there.
I can.
On the
Oh, serious?
Yes, you have to. You have
Oh. Okay.
It goes on and on. Pretty wild. So we've run into a bit of an issue. Steve over here found a screw, or rather his tire found a screw. And so, but this guy's helping us out. And our guide brought his own extra inner tube, so should be about 20 minutes. Stay tuned. So we're getting some help here. Meanwhile, in the village, there's a construction project going on here. And you know what? Everyone works. Everyone's working.
Kind of a map. We're here.
Okay.
Exactly.
That's China. That's China.
So this is called, that's called the North Pole.
Yeah. That was, or this.
This thing right here, North Pole.
So now right here.
Yeah.
And over here, behind me, is China. That's China on the other side of that valley over there. But it's absolutely gorgeous here.
They have a fence on the other side of the river.
And there's a temple. So that's a temple, still probably Buddhist temple, but also in Vietnam. And we're on day 2, by the way. Okay, so here we are at the top, and I'll give you an idea. Looking down.
And a 1,
Oh,
2,
geez.
3, go.
It gives me vertigo.
Yeah.
And then you can see that. I think those are rice fields over there, right? Is that rice fields?
Right at the bottom?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. And then we'll come over to the.
Thank you. Welcome.
So this is the Chinese side way over there. You can see across the valley. I guess we got a flag up here, right? Okay, so I'm here in Dang Ban, very high, actually near the Chinese border, and this is such a cute little city, and wow, is it lit up and happening. It's about 9:30 at night, and you can see like lots of activity, lots of young people, and it's pretty wonderful. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Okay, so day 3.
Okay, day 3. Now we stay here, the one town. And this morning go this way to 1 billion bus in here. RBN bus, and then we go to river, Nhok River in here, and take a boat trip. After that, we go this way to Mèo Vạc Town and have lunch here.
Okay.
And then after lunch, we go this way. This way
Okay.
Oh,
to Bảo Lạc. So we will stay here tonight. Bảo Lạc.
Okay.
So in here, Khao Vàng. Khao Vàng.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, this way.
Yes, yes, okay.
Wait, where's China?
That way. Still Hmong people?
That's the fence.
Yeah.
Yeah. Classic.
The bottom of it was getting really thin. I was afraid it was going to break out.
Awesome.
And I was like, oh, you know, I want to keep using it because I took it to Nepal and Kim goes, just put black duct tape on the bottom.
Perfect. There you go.
I
Good.
got black Gorilla tape and now it's probably stronger than
Couldn't even
before.
tell.
Yeah, exactly.
That stuff is sticky. This would be a perfect place for goats.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. On the hillside there?
Yeah. All across with a little vegetation.
Look at the project this was when they built this road.
Wow, and terraced farming, just, are you crazy? Look at that.
I know.
Okay, getting in close. There is a terraced farm right on top of that cliff. That is wild. Okay, here we are again. We are on this spectacular river cruise. Pretty incredible. So still very far north. Although I'm gonna have to put in the description what the name of the river is. And we were just way up there earlier, looking down.
So that's corn, all the way down to the water.
Yeah, yeah. There are these subsistence farmers that live here, and they live up there, and they actually tend corn in the winter and rice in the summer. So, and I'm shooting a little video here, Steve, just so we can capture. Okay, we just had a little stop. Actually had a delicious bubble tea, mint milk bubble tea. It was so good. You can see this little bridge here. And then that's an electrical, that's a dam, right? So for hydroelectric power. And shoot, we passed some water buffalo that were completely like covered in mud. They had just dunked. But looks like I won't be able to get a shot of that. And then there, just a little city, a little town. Okay, day 3. We're heading to the homestay. See you in a bit. Okay, this is the morning of day 4. And we're in this place. I think you basically would just call it a hostel. You can see they've got a couple like mini yurts there, tents. And so for some camping. Gorgeous view, except we can't see much because of the cloud cover. But then this is the place, and it's quite rustic. Maybe I'll take a shot and show you where I slept. It's kind of like a hut, a collection of huts. One large hut with several rooms. That's probably it. All right, I'll show you. Okay, so I told you I was going to show you my place here. So this is mosquito netting And actually, I'm repacking right now, but you can see that, oh, how quaint. But pretty rustic. I'm opening the window. Yeah, oh, look at that. So I'm gonna put stuff on. And that's where we are, Travelogue. And they're working on the rice fields down there. They started pretty early. They start work at 6 a.m. here. Gotta respect that. All right, talk to you later.
Okay, so now we stay here, Bảo La. And this morning we go this way, have the way in here. And we go to here. In here have the bus, 15 bus.
15 bus?
Bus.
Oh,
you can
pass.
see the picture inside over there. Step.
Yeah,
15 step.
Oh, 15 steps.
Yes. The road 15 step go up the mountain. In here, and then go this way to here. See Don Chuang. And we can have lunch here. And then the afternoon we go this way to here.
Okay.
But the waterfall in here.
Okay.
Today we go very far, about 200 kilometers.
Okay.
And if we go fast, we can go here, Bắc Bó, and see the river in here.
Okay, we try.
Yeah, we can go fast.
Yeah.
And then the afternoon, we will be here around 4:30, and then we go to waterfall, big
Okay.
waterfall
Very
near
nice.
China. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And where do we stay tonight?
Near waterfall.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Okay, we're going into the cave where Ho Chi Minh hid from the French in 1945. At least I think that's what we're doing. From the guide. So he lived here. How long did he live here, Quan?
I think around 5 years.
5 years.
It's pretty nice for a cave.
Yeah. Fire pit. It's pretty tall. You look up there.
Nice temperature.
Yeah, I wonder how. Wild. Look at that.
Yes.
Pretty amazing.
It is amazing to think.
He slept. So he slept right there.
Look at all this stuff. Oh, there's a hole up there.
Which is probably good for the smoke.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a bit more of the Ho Chi Minh Museum. Way far north. Actually quite close to the Chinese border. But this is a good view here. Give you an idea. This is where he, I guess he basically lived for 5 years and taught his philosophy and taught, I'm told, like war techniques and things like that too. Lots of orchards. Bike. Okay, so we're in a cave, in the very northeastern part of Vietnam, and 400 million years old. And it's huge, really, really big, and you can hear the running water.
They did a good job of lighting it.
Yeah. There's a river, or I guess some kind of aquifer It's down there. But you can see the roof is the top of it. And oddly, we're here, I forget if is it Saturday? We're here on a Saturday at maybe 8 a.m., 8:30, empty. There's no one here. It's like a private tour. It's incredible. These little pools are kind of cool. They look like rice paddies. Okay, better watch where I'm walking. Okay, we're here at Banglak Falls. This is China, right there. This is and these are the falls. Look at those crazy, gorgeous falls. Can you believe that? And you can hear them. And there's some over here too. It's really spectacular. It's just, and then you can see just a few boats. It's late in the day, but check out. So this side of this is China, and there's a walkway that goes up, and then like to I think it's a hotel or a restaurant or something. Quite beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So incredible. He's gonna run us in. He's gonna run us in.
Okay, so now we stay here, Bản Dông waterfall.
Okay.
Yeah, and this morning we go this way to here, and go to Eye Mountain in here.
Eye Mountain. Okay.
Yes, and then we go here for lunch.
Okay.
After that, go this way, very far.
Yes.
This
Okay.
way to Ba Bể Lake in here.
Okay.
If we go here early, we can take a boat trip in here, in the lake.
Okay.
And then we'll stay here in homestay.
Okay.
And now, if you go here late, we can go tomorrow morning.
Okay. No problem.
Okay? So today we go about 200 kilometers
Okay.
from here to here.
Yep. Okay. Good long one. Okay.
Yeah, same as yesterday. We go this way.
Yes.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Okay, we go.
Good. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Juan.
Okay, gotta capture this. This is absolutely insane. We got the guys there. Now,
Look at the
just
cats. That's fun.
capturing this. So that is a massive hole in the center of that rock formation. Absolutely crazy. And this is a beautiful glen. It looks just trimmed. It looks like an animal's eating on it. It's just like, and their little tents. I guess you can camp here. Spectacular. I'm running out of words to describe this place. It's just, the natural beauty is phenomenal. Okay, so I used that one. I think I've used most of them already, so. All right, we're gonna walk up there and then I'll try to capture some more. That looks like fun. Water buffalo in the background. So we're gonna get the hike up there. I don't know how close we can get though. Okay. He probably wants something to eat. Yeah. Oh, and then we got these guys over here. So water buffalo and horses just grazing together. Let's see how close they'll let me get. He's got some burrs on him from sitting down. Pretty small, but I saw some very large ones. Hello. You don't want to get behind a horse.
Yeah, right.
Especially one you don't know. Okay, one made it. That's the guide. Steve. Here goes Cad.
Out of the sun.
Okay, so we're taking a break. We're in this incredible valley, and we've been riding all day. We're kind of tired. Wow, look at those wings. Oh, wait a minute. You gotta see this picture, Steve.
I can't hear what's
Okay, I'm gonna come
I can
back
see
and take a
the-
picture
I
of
can
this,
see
but
the wings.
this I wanted to just show. I wanted to show the camera this because I'm gonna try this. This is matcha popcorn, and I know how much my family likes matcha. So I'll report back. I'll report back. Okay, they taste pretty good. They actually have a little bit of sweet in them, and so collectively we ate most of them. So barely taste the matcha, frankly. So. Okay, just landed day 5, actually night 5, at our last homestay, and we are at Babe Lake. So I guess that's the lake way over there. And we're gonna take motorcycles and check it out, and then we're staying up here, which looks like a pretty nice place. More later. Okay, here we are, Babe Lake. You can see, yeah, there's Fawn, Steve, Cam. Good idea. Oh yeah. So you can see, pretty beautiful. And of course, because it's Cam and Brian involved, we're gonna go swimming. Okay, as promised, we just got done swimming. There's Cam over there. And it is quite, it's a lot dark, it's actually a lot darker than the camera. The camera picks up a lot of light, it's pretty cool.
Okay, morning of day 6, and had an okay sleep. Beds are really hard here. No air conditioning in this place, but it did have a fan. But it took some getting used to. And but nice room. Pretty nice finish to the room. You can see where we are here. This is Babe Lake, and you can see the rice fields. Actually, there's some corn there too. Right? And then the lake's over there. That's where we went last night. Just absolutely beautiful. Little village here on the side. Construction going on right there next to us. Probably another homestay. And yeah, you can see living quarters on top, garage on the bottom. There's a kitchen over there. Good morning. Okay, see you later. Okay, go.
Okay, so now we stay here, Babe Lake.
Yes.
And we go this way, come back about 15 kilometers to here.
Okay.
And then go this way
Okay.
to here. And we will have lunch here,
All right.
bak me in here.
Okay.
And the afternoon we go this way, come back to Ha Giang City.
Okay.
We will be here around 4 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 And today we go about 200 kilometers,
Yeah.
same yesterday.
Okay.
Okay,
We're ready.
ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're stopped for coffee in some small little town, and this place is wonderful. Look at that. It's so cute. We gotta come over here. I think actually there's a Miyazaki character too. Okay. What's that guy's name? It's gotta be something, right? Let me see over here. Pretty cool.
Where he stayed before he came to Colorado 3 years.
Wow. Take you outside here for a sec. So just some small town on our way back to Ha Giang. Ha Giang. We encountered just a little bit of rain too. So I wanted to say something about the international driver's licenses, because I think it's super important that that it's clear. Right? You can get your international driver's license, and you can get it with a motorcycle endorsement, and that's still not enough. You actually, if you're going to be completely above board and not be subject to the fines that they charge, which I think is somewhere around like 1.5 million dong, you have to get a local license. So you take all that stuff, but then I think you still have to work with the government and get a local license. That's the way that we are told. We talked to several people, both guides and travelers, and that's what they said. So I want to make sure and cover that. All right, talk to you later. Okay, day 6, and we're at lunch. Another family-style meal: chicken and pork and rice and vegetables and tofu. Pretty much every spot's been really delicious, so it's good to know. One thought I wanted to share was about the 6-day, like 4-day versus 6-day. Okay, we got some dogs over there. He doesn't look particularly happy. So, if you can swing the time, highly recommend all 6 days, because really every place that we went to that you've seen on this video was spectacular, and I wouldn't want to have missed it, you know. So, and I think it takes a full 6 days. It's going to be roughly 1,000 kilometers, I think, the total trip in 6 days and 5 nights. So, something to think about. All right, talk to you later.
Too much fun, my friend.
Okay, we made it. We're back. Wonderful trip.
Just
6.
the best. 6 days. Yeah.
Just you guys with or without?
The 3 with the guide.
With the guide. 3 of us and a guide.
It was incredible.
And it was
Yeah.
couldn't have been done.
Yeah.
Done a couple other ones in different countries.
Really wonderful. Okay, well, here we are. We're back. Ha Giang. QT, and have to say, just an extraordinary trip.